Hello everyone, and are you guys looking to learn some coding in Excel? So if you are guys are eager, or if you guys want the tutorial for Excel or coding, here I do have the perfect tutorial for you, which is the Excel VBA tutorial. So Excel VBA is basically the coding in the Excel, and the full form of VBA is Visual Basic Application. So in this tutorial, we'll learn so much about coding. I'll give you guys about the basic coding, what we can do here. And as this is a beginner tutorial, and I'll also just tell you few uses of the advanced mode here. So let's see what all we are going to learn here in this tutorial. So first, I'll be introducing you to all with the Excel VBA. Like I'll be making you guys familiar with the interface and the workspace here. Okay, so here I'll be teaching you guys how you can create your first macro and how we can insert a module and we can start writing our coding. And I'll also show you guys how we can record a macro, and after that how we can modify that particular macro there. Okay, and after that I'll be telling you and teaching you guys about the coding for how we can select a particular sheet or how we can select one or more sheets at the same time. And I'll also be teaching you guys how we can number those sheets as well. And after that, I'll be teaching you guys about the difference between the cells and the range. Okay. The cells I'll be teaching, and also about the ranging, like what is the difference between the cells and the range in Excel VBA, and where all we can use these cells and range, because we can't use cells that coding everywhere in my whole code, and I can't also use range, so it has some particular usage and also particular function for itself. Okay, and after that I'll be teaching you guys about the offsets in Excel VBA. So I'll also be explaining you guys where all we can use offsets, and also I'll be telling you guys about different ways to use these offsets in different scenarios. Okay, and I'll be also teaching you guys how we can select a particular range of cells and a particular ranges. Okay, a particular group of ranges, how we can select. And after that, I'll be telling you guys about the variable and the data type. Here, I'll be explaining you guys about how we can actually work on this variable, like how we can name a variable and how we can actually start typing a variable, as I've explained to you in the class. And if you guys are also familiar with this Excel VBA, you guys might know first we have to write dim, which is the keyword to start a variable. Then I'll also tell you guys about different data types. Okay, there are many kind of data types, and also they do have a limitation for that. Suppose a data type is byte. Okay, so their maximum value is 255. So if I put there like 255, I can also, like if I exceed 255, it would work there. Okay, if I put a byte in my data. Okay, and after that I'll be telling you guys how we can use loop in Excel VBA. So here I have particularly talked about the for loop, which is mostly used and the most useful one uh, in the loop version. And I also do have an advanced loop. Okay, and after that I'll be telling you guys about a particular command. So as we are using this VBA, we do have a lot of command of like how we can actually add different pages or insert a particular text or insert a particular sentence or insert a particular command. Like if I want to put command on top of another command, how we can actually do that, how we can merge two sheets together. We do have command for all those things as well. But here in this tutorial, I'll be giving you guys the basic of how to insert and delete sheet. Okay, so here we'll be learning about all these topics in this tutorial. So if you guys have any problem or if you guys have any difficulty understanding this particular tutorial, I'm always there to help you guys out. So I'm hoping that every one of you guys will join my tutorial and we'll go in depth and we'll learn about this Excel VBA, and we'll also see what this application have to offer us and how we can actually make use of it in our daily to day life. So take care everyone, and I hope to see you all in my tutorial on Excel VBA.